Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. We have another unboxing to do. So if you follow my channel, you'll see that the most collectibles or coins and stamps that I have are old ones. So this is another old one. First, I just like to show the stamps that were put in this letter. See, I think it's a joint issue with Turkey. I don't know, maybe it's like a World War II commemorative. So yeah, anyway, we'll see what's inside. It's something old, I like old things, like old stamps, old coins. Uh, if you follow my channel, you can see also old Bibles even. So let's see what this one is. Here we go. It's two old coin, two small old coin. Here we go. Oh wow, okay. This nicely wrapped. Of course, the trade me store that I bought this from have lots of collection. I uh, I envy their collection. They're selling lots of old ones that I haven't seen or even known before. And these are a couple of it. So I'll just zoom in a little. Okay. So these are Farthing from the United Kingdom, and these sort of coins are used in the Commonwealth. As far as I know, it's mostly from Ceylon, used for Ceylon, which is now Ceylon is now Sri Lanka. So it is a very old one. It's Farthing. I think it's as far as I know, really, it's 18 millimeters in diameter, and we can see, of course, the young portrait. Or this is the first portrait of Queen Victoria, and as we can see, also the letterings surrounding it. Uh, it says Victoria, by the grace of God. Uh, it is a bit difficult to read. By the grace of God. See. Victoria, by the grace of God. Uh, Queen of all Britain and Emperor of India, I think. Oh no. I need glasses really, so it's a very small coin. It says Victoria, by the grace of God, Britannia, Queen of Britain, Queen of Britain. I think it's Britannia Regina, Defender of the Faith. So the one below. It's Defender of the Faith. FD. It's a very small coin, so it's. But this one I can read properly. The crown above, Farthing, and a year 1844. I think they made around 6 million of this coin. 6 million and more than 6 million, I think. But it is 1844. It's a small coin, very small. See, 18 millimeters in diameter. And this one is it's another one. I didn't realize that this one was used as a necklace pendant. as you can see on the upper thing. Oh, yep, here we go. Small. The young portrait of Victoria. It says Victoria, by the grace of God, Queen of Britain, and Defender of the Faith. That's FD, Defender of the Faith. And DG is Grace of God. And this one is Farthing as well. See the crown above, and here is 1843. It's a very small coin, very small, as in small. And for you to, like if I unzoom it, see how small it is. It just so happened, I think I need new glasses. It's very hard to read now. So yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. I hope you all have a very good day.